Hi, welcome to another segment of Edukaji. I'm Cikgu Gan, your biology teacher. Today I'll be discussing Malacca State Trial Paper 2022, Paper 1. Okay, let's begin, yeah? A group of students study the effect of temperature on the rate of photosynthesis. Table 1 show the results. So you have rate of photosynthesis carry out three tests, and a mean is calculated based on a manipulated variable of different temperature. What is the best way to show the relationship between variables for this experiment? So the rate of photosynthesis is the responding variable. So since there is three tests being run out with one mean here, you obtain a mean here. So the best way to describe the relationship is by using a line graph. Okay, the line graph will be able to show the relationship of the manipulated and the responding. So the rate of photosynthesis, and then the temperature will be here. So you then can plot the graph based on the temperature, yeah, based on the temperature. So you have your temperature here, and then you can get a graph to show the relationship. Okay, next, diagram 1 show a cell component. What is the function of the cell component? So this is a mitochondria. Its function is to generate energy. Number 3, following statement is about a process that occurs in plant. Carbon dioxide from the air will diffuse into the mesophyll cell during photosynthesis. Which of the following will increase the rate of diffusion into mesophyll cell during photosynthesis? Now, if there is an increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide or an increase in light intensity, then the rate of gas diffusion into the mesophyll cell will increase. Okay, so the answer is C. Next, table 2 show 3 types of saline solution commonly used at the hospital. What happened to the normal red blood cell after being immersed for 30 minutes in saline solution J, K, and L? So J is 0.18, K is 0.9, and L is 3.0. So here you can see that the 0.18 is hypotonic. This is iso. This is hyper, yeah. So in hypotonic, the red blood cell will hemolyze. In isotonic, there will be no change in the shape. And in hypertonic, the red blood cell will undergo crenation. So answer for 4 is B. Okay, number 5. Diagram 2 show monomer of a chemical composition. What is the polymer that is formed by this monomer? So this is a nucleotide, right? So the polymer is nucleic acid. Which of the following is the extracellular enzyme? So the extracellular enzyme here is any enzyme that is secreted out of the cell to be used in another part of the alimentary canal. So the answer is A, 1 and 2. Okay, number 7. Diagram 3 shows 2 types of metabolism, P and Q. Which of the following match is correct explanation for P and Q? Okay, so here you can see that water and carbon dioxide is absorbed into the chloroplast for photosynthesis, and then after that produce glucose and oxygen, which is used by the mitochondria to produce energy. All right, so here That means the process of P is anabolism, and the process of Q is catabolism. So anabolism here and catabolism. Ana is built up of a complex molecule from simple, and kata is breakdown. So this is not correct. This is wrong. This reaction does not occur with the help of hormone. Here, energy is produced. Okay, so again, this is not correct. So the only correct answer is D. P is anabolism, Q is catabolism. So here, oxidation process pyruvate, yes, correct. It's a catabolism, and this is anabolism. Okay, so answer is D. Diagram 4 show two phases in the cell division of primordial germ cell of a man. So you see here, there is two types of division here. The first one produces J and K. They are equal number of chromosome being produced. And then the second one is uneven, seems to be a pair of sister chromatid that did not separate. So what is the number of chromosome of daughter cell? Okay, so if here, since it's a man, human, so 23, JK is 23, and then in L, there will be an extra chromosome here, 23 become 24. This one will have lack of one chromosome, which is 22. So the answer is B, yeah? Okay, so question number 8, answer is B. Diagram 5 shows a graph of DNA contain the cell chromosome according to the phases of cell cycle. So which of the following PQRS is the phase of meiosis 1? Okay, so here in P, you see that the DNA content has doubled. So that means this is during interphase. So the replication of DNA occur. And then during R, when the homologous chromosome separate at anaphase 1, so the number of chromosome will reduce to half back from 4 times to 2 times. So in each cell, you get the number of chromosome reduced by half. So which of the following is the phase of meiosis 1? So meiosis 1 is at phase of meiosis 1. Okay, so here the phase of meiosis 1 is here to here, in which the number of chromosome, number of DNA content reduced from 4 times to 2 times during anaphase 1. Okay, so answer for number 10 is, number 9 is C, which is R. Okay, so from 4 times to 2 times. Diagram 6 show the growth of a type of plant in their habitat. Which of the following is the product respiration for the plant? Okay, so this plant here, you can see that it's growing in the water. So therefore, it is carrying out ethanol fermentation. So it produces ethanol and carbon dioxide. Okay. Question 11. Which of the following is related to the breathing mechanism of this organism? It has a inner surface of the lung that is folded to increase the total surface area for gaseous exchange. Okay, so this look like a frog who uses its mouth to buccal cavity to open to lower, and the glottis will be closed. So the buccal pharynge will be able to be lowered to increase the volume, so the pressure decrease. So the higher pressure outside will then diffuse in during inhalation. Okay. What is the pH of medium of reaction for enzyme that is secreted by the chief cell of gastric gland? So the pH in the gastric gland is acidic, so it's 2.0. Diagram 7 show a man who is having a health issue related to digestive system. So you can see that the acid and the stomach content back up. So there's a reflux, acid reflux. So here, what is the food that consumed by this man will reduce his health issue? So the best thing is not to eat any more food that will increase acidic content as well as oily food. So the best is to eat oatmeal. Okay, number 14. The following statement is about blood vessel Y. Okay, has high carbon dioxide concentration, low oxygen concentration, blood with high pressure. Okay, so here what is the blood vessel? So the blood vessel that has high carbon dioxide concentration, okay, and also high pressure. So it's a pulmonary artery because pulmonary artery is the only artery that transport deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lung. Okay, so it has a high concentration of carbon dioxide. Question 15. A teenager has cured from chickenpox. What is the substance that remains in her body that will coordinate immune response if infected by the same disease in the future? So after she recovered, then there will remain in her blood circulatory system memory cells that can produce antibody when she is infected again. Question 16. Diagram 8 shows an impulse pathway of an involuntary action. Which of the following statement is correct? Okay, so this is a pathway that goes into the spinal cord. Neuron P is sensory neuron. Q is relay neuron. R is motor neuron or efferent neuron. Okay, so here, which of the following is correct? So the nerve impulse are transferred from the cell body of neuron P through the axon to neuron Q. Okay, P to Q, correct. Okay, so A is correct. Okay, cell body of neuron Q can be found in the white matter of the central nervous system. Neuron Q, no, cell matter, actually cell body is found in the ganglion root dorsal. So it's wrong. Neuron Q, R send nerve impulse to neuron Q. R send to neuron Q. So let's see. R send to Q, no, it's the wrong direction. Nerve impulse start from receptor on T to effector on S. Start from T to S, no, this is the receptor, this is the effector here. Okay, number 17. Table 3 shows salt content a number of food sample which has been consumed by a teenager. So the continuous consumption of this food has caused kidney problem. Which of the following is correct? Okay, you see that his salt content is very high. So the effect of salt content on the blood is it will increase blood osmotic pressure, uh, and therefore when there's higher blood pressure, it will also have more fluid retention in the body. Yeah. So answer is B. Now the urine will never be produced more. Here it say more frequently is wrong. In fact, if it's high blood osmotic pressure, urine should be less. This is not related. More glucose are not related also for more glucose. Okay, question 18. A woman aged 40 has obesity. Doctor has advised her to exercise and practice healthy lifestyle. Okay, so which is the most suitable one to be done by the woman uh, uh, as her to start off her exercise regime? So the most is to increase her cardiovascular workout first, okay, before she do other exercise that build her muscle or flexibility of her muscle. Yeah. Okay, 19. Diagram 9 show the development of cell after fertilization process occur. Which of the following stages in the development of the cell will be affected if the concentration of HCG is found to be low? Okay, so here HCG is like LH that helps to maintain the corpus luteum. Okay, so if the HCG is going to be less, then of course the embryo that has already implanted into the endometrium, the wall cannot continue to be thickened. So it might cause a miscarriage in the woman because HCG helps to uh, maintain the corpus luteum to continue to secrete progesterone and estrogen while before the placenta can be fully developed to take over the job. Okay, so if it's low, then she might have a miscarriage. Okay, so the answer for this is B. Yeah. Okay, 20. The following statements about the symptom experienced by a man starting at 50 years and above. What is the cause of the symptom? Hair loss, night sweat, increased body fat, especially on the belly. All right. So um, a men also go through andropause, so they will have a decrease in testosterone hormone level when they age. So that will cause this symptom. 21. Diagram 10 show the tissue of the stem of a monocotyledonous plant. Which of the following plant experience this growth? Monocotyledon that undergo secondary growth are very limited. Uh, the one example of a plant is Dracaena. So here you can see are all dicotyledonous plant. So there's no answer for this question, yeah. Okay, 22. Diagram 11 show cross-section of a leaf. Which of the following structure RST involved in photosynthesis? Okay, so the uh, epidermal cell don't have chloroplast. Okay, this one mesophyll, yes, they have chloroplast. Uh, Mesophyll palisade and spongy mesophyll has chloroplast. Okay, so the answer is S and T only. Okay, so 22 is C. which is spongy and pellucid. Okay. 23. The following information are the effects of macronutrient L deficiency in plant. Okay. What is the macronutrient? Okay, so let's see. Unhealthy root growth, leaf formation is dark green and dull, red or purple spot. So here, the answer is phosphorus, because phosphorus helps with root growth. So if phosphorus is insufficient, then it will cause unhealthy root growth beside the other symptom, yeah. 24. Diagram 12 show the two types of plant, X and Y. So you have an epiphytic plant and a carnivorous plant. Okay, epiphytic and carnivorous. So epiphytic are plants that live on hosts to obtain sunlight, while carnivorous are plants that traps insect to obtain nitrogen supply. Yeah. 25. Diagram 13 show an experiment to study the transport of substances in plant. So part of the bark has been removed. Which of the following condition can be observed? Here, the upper part, since the part of the bark has been removed together with the phloem. So without phloem, organic substances cannot be transported downwards. So the organic substances will accumulate at the upper part of the ring. So the upper part of the ring will be swollen while the lower part will shrink. Okay, so answer is A. 26. So diagram show two types of plant, P and Q. So which of the following differences is correct about the response of plant P and Q? So plant P is actually growth towards sunlight and also towards water or gravity. So here is a tropism, while Q is nastic movements. It's more nastic. So here, tropism, the response is always slow and not apparent. Here is quicker. The minute you touch the leaf, it will close. And the response for growth is always permanent. So it should be the other way around. Well, touched by hand, a seismonastic is always temporary. Okay, so this one also is wrong, because movement for tropism always involves growth. And this one also is wrong. It should be the response are dependent on the stimulus direction for growth for tropism, yeah. Okay, so the only correct answer is B. 27. So you're spraying a phytohormone, auxin, onto the flower. So what's the difference of the tomato fruit produced by this method compared to fruit that is produced naturally? So if you use auxin to stimulate fruit, so the fruit that is produced does not come from double fertilization, so it will not have any seeds. 28. The diagram shows cells in the embryo sac of a cotyledonous plant. After diverse fertilization between a male gamete and cell X, a type of tissue is formed. What is the function of the tissue? So here, polar nuclei, after fertilized by a male gamete, will form the triploid nucleus, which then mature to become endosperm. Endosperm is a tissue that stores food for surrounding cell and supplying nutrient to the embryo. So answer is D. 29. Diagram show reproductive structure of a flower. Which of the following is correct? Comparison of structure J and K. Uh, J, this is a statement, while K is the couple. So it's J is the male part, while K is the female part. So we have to find the comparison between a male and a female part. Okay, so the first one is wrong already. The second one, correct. Male part always produce pollen grain, female embryo sac, and male part has filament and enter, while female has stigma and style. So B is the correct answer. Female part is always located at the middle, and male part project out from the base of the ovary. Okay, 30. Which of the following are adaptation of plant that grow in mangrove swamp? So mangrove swamp is a high salinity area, always inundated by water. So they need to have a mechanism to be able to survive, adaptation to be able to survive. And one of them is pneumatophore. The roots can project out of the water so that they can breathe through lenticel. Gaseous exchange can occur. So one is correct. Next is the number of soma is not a lot, yeah, not at the upper surface. That will cause a lot of loss of water through evaporation. So then the plant will be dehydrated. No, this is not the answer. Osmotic pressure in the cell sap is lower than the, on the other hand, the osmotic pressure in the cell sap is higher than the seawater. So the roots can continually to absorb water. However, the excess salt then will be excreted out through hydathodes. So this is not the answer. And the last one, the hydrotop pores on the leaf can eliminate excess salt. So this is correct. Any excess salt that is being absorbed by the root will be expelled out, eliminated through the hydrotopes. So D. Okay, 31. So you have two groups of kingdom here, prokaryotes and unicellular organism live in very hot, acidic or anaerobic condition, whereas this one made from peptidoglycan. Okay, so what is the kingdom? What is the kingdom of G and H? Okay, so the answer here is A, Archaeobacteria and Eubacteria. Eubacteria have cell wall that is made up of peptidoglycan, and Archaeobacteria are prokaryotes that can live in extreme condition. Yeah. Okay. 32. Okay, so from here, this is a dichotomous key. We have to know the organism WXYZ based on the key. So here, three pairs of leg is W. Okay, three pairs of leg is W. Okay, uh, N is an insect that has three pairs of leg. Next, more than three pairs of leg. More than three pairs of leg is spider. Okay, so it's either A or C. Okay, next. Has six is Y, does not have six is Z. Has six is maize, fern reproduce through spores. So answer is C. Okay. 33, which of the following is an abiotic component of topographic factor? So abiotic component is B, pH value. Okay. Others are like light intensity, humidity. Okay. 34. The following information is the data obtained by a group of students who want to estimate the population size of grasshopper in a habitat. So you have 38 caught in the first day. So the formula that you can use is AB over C. So 38 caught on the first day. After a week, 45 were caught. So times with 45. over 10. C is the number of grasshopper caught that were marked. Okay, so we just have to try to solve this. Um, 38 times 45 divided by 10. So you get 171. Okay, 171A. Okay, 35. Which of the following practices contribute to environmental sustainability? Okay, so environmental sustainability. So we want to contribute to a balanced environment and sustainable. So usage of leather product, of course, no. Usage of electric power vehicles, yes. So we don't have to use fossil fuel anymore. Deforestation, no. Excessive usage of nitrate, no. Okay. 36. A trait for organism is determined by a pair of allele. In pea plant, the allele for T is dominant to the allele for short. Which of the following crossing will produce plant in a ratio of 1 to 1? So tall and short. So we can try out, just maybe try out this. So we have TT. So you have 2 TT to 2 TT. So the ratio is 1 to 1. So they want 1 to 1 here. Okay. So the cross that is correct is C, yeah. Yeah. TT times TT. 37. Diagram shows a genetic variation of an animal. What is the cause of this genetic variation? Okay, so here, uh, one of the cause is the different temperature of body parts, yeah, can actually cause the color of the fur to become different. This is not caused by chromosomal mutation. This is not caused by surrounding temperature. Then the temperature change and change color. No, it is the different temperature of the body parts, right? That causes the change in the color of the cat. Okay, 38. Diagram 19 show a karyotype of an individual has genetic disease P. A genetic disease Q caused by the same factors as genetic disease P. Which of the following is a symptom for genetic disease Q? This is a disease, genetic disease P. P has XXY, okay? And another genetic disease is Q, which is caused by the same factor by uh, this same factor of disease P. Okay, so the which of the following is a symptom for genetic disease Q? Now this is a male, right? It's a male that has this number of chromosome and an extra number of X chromosome. So the male here would have weak muscle. This is the one, huh? Uh, this is not this. This has hemophilia, rapid eye movement, no. So the genetic disease, this one is caused by chromosomal mutation. Okay, chromosomal mutation. Okay, next. Diagram 20 shows steps in the production of human insulin by genetic engineering. So you can see a gene has been cut and then insert. into the plasmid, which of the following steps L, M, N, or P requires ligase enzyme? So the ligase enzyme is needed for M, okay, M, where when you insert it into the plasmid, okay. Diagram 21 show the DNA profiling of a child and three individual STU. Which of the following STU are the parents of the child? So we have to find the matching DNA band. So to find the parent, so this one matches, 18 matches with 10, 19 matches with this one, 28, 20 matches with 12, 21 matches with number 13, 22 matches number 30, 23 matches number 14, 24 matches number 31. Okay, so the parent is most likely T and U because the DNA matches with the child. Okay, all right. So with that, I end for today's session. I see you again next time.